Welcome back to Knowledge Hub. Today, topic is speech on National Doctors Day in easy and simple English. Let's start. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I am here to deliver a speech on National Doctors Day, celebrated on the 1st of July every year in India. This day is celebrated to honor doctors for their hard work, dedication, and selfless service to society. It also marks the birth and death anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, one of India's most respected doctors and a great leader. Doctors play a very important role in our lives. They treat illnesses, save lives, and help people stay healthy. During emergencies and pandemics, doctors work day and night, often sacrificing their own comfort to care for others. National Doctors Day reminds us to respect and appreciate the efforts of all doctors. Their kindness, knowledge, and commitment make our society healthier and stronger. On this special day, let us thank every doctor for their valuable service and promise to take care of our own health by following healthy habits. Thank you, and happy National Doctors Day to all. If you enjoyed this speech, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Thank you.